You've made videos, you've posted videos. Well, what is your return on investment? ROI for video marketing can depend on a number of factors, but there are some key ways to ensure that your video marketing campaign is effective and delivers a positive ROI. One, set measurable goals. Before you even start producing videos, it's important to have a clear idea what you want to achieve with your video marketing campaign. Invest in quality. A poor produced video is not going to deliver the results that you're looking for no matter how well it's promoted. Once you've created videos, you need to get them out there and promote them. Use social media, email marketing campaigns, paid advertisement to get your videos seen by as many people as possible. And finally, track your results. Keep track of key metrics like views, click-through rates, and conversions so you can see how your videos are performing. By following these tips, you can ensure that your video marketing campaign delivers positive ROI for your business. So with that, keep creating, build your brand, and go out there and tell your story.